loaded fries. And this isn't mine, but this is a hot slider. No pickles, no slaw. And I got that pack. Extra sauce. First. The loaded fries have their seasoned fries with cheese sauce, pickles, the slaw, and Dave sauce.
All right, y'all. Enjoy the rest of your day.
I don't know who Dave is, but shout out to you, my boy.
The only way you can reheat them fries is depending on the fries, and you gotta put them in something like that. The air fryer. You can't put them in a microwave.
Hell no. And my thing is too, when it comes to fries, if you get them fresh, but you're getting them to go, by the time they close the container and trap all that condensation and moisture in there, your fries ain't crispy no more.
I know that at the Chinese restaurant where American Deli and whatever, they be putting holes at the top so that way your shit can still be crispy.
That makes sense. And it's like they don't stick on the toppings either. Like they have hella cheese sauce in there. I always feel like somebody's watching me.